Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Nursing World. Today we will discuss the MCQs of first chapter of anatomy and physiology. So let's start the video. The first chapter is anatomy and organization of the body. Number 1 MCQ is the study of structure of the body and the physical relationship between its constituent parts is called anatomy. Second पे है the smallest independent units of the living matter are cells. Number 3, which of the following is principally involved in internal communication within the body? The endocrine system. Number 4, the following are examples of transport systems except the nervous system. Number 5, in adults, the volume of the body is approximately 5 to 6 liter. Blood does not contain chromosomes. Number 7, which of the following cells are not seen in blood? Adipocytes. Number 8, red blood cells transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. Number 9, which of the following are not blood vessels? Lymphatics. Number 10, capillaries are the only blood vessels where exchange of substances between the blood and the body tissues can take place. Number 11, the pulmonary circulation transports blood to and from the lungs. Number 12, the heart is a muscular sac with 4 chambers. Number 13, in the lymphatic system, lymph nodes filter lymph, removing microbes and other materials. Number 14, fast, involuntary and usually protective motor responses to specific stimuli are called reflex actions. Which of the following is not one of the special senses? Pain. Number 16, in the endocrine system, endocrine glands synthesize and secrete hormones. Number 17, an accessory organ of the digestive system is liver. Number 18, vital gas exchange between the lungs and the blood takes place in the alveoli. Number 19, the sum total of the chemical activity in the body is called metabolism. Number 20, a zygote is a fertilized egg. Number 21, structures nearer to the midline are described as medial. Number 22, the term brachial refers to the arm. Number 23, which of the following is not a part of axial skeleton? The shoulder girdle. Number 24, the only movable bone of the skull is the mandible. Number 25, the intercostal muscles are attached to the thoracic cage. Number 26, the space between the lungs is called the mediastinum. 27, which of the following is not a region of the abdominal cavity? The diaphragm. Number 28, the nature of a disease process and its effect on normal body function is called pathogenesis. 29, a tissue response to any kind of tissue damage is known as inflammation. Number 30, a condition that results from the healthcare intervention is called iatrogenic. So this was all about from first chapter. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.